Today we're going to get more practice with adding three-digit numbers. We're going to practice taking them from horizontal to vertical, and you're going to be answering questions as you go to help you figure out what kind of new groups you're making. So the first one, 582 plus 296, I'm not going to solve it horizontally. I need to rewrite it vertically. 582. And I need to make sure I line up my 296. I like to write the numbers before I do anything else. Then I'll add my line and my plus sign off to the side. Now, I'm going to answer these questions as I go. 2 plus 6 is 8. I did not make a new 10, so my answer to this one is no. 8 plus 9 is 17, which gives me a 1 up here and a 7 down here. This 1 is in the hundreds. I did make a new 100. I know this is 8 plus 9, but since it's in the hundreds, it's basically 80 plus 90, which is 170. So here's my 7 tens and my new 100. So my answer there is yes. And then 1 plus 5 plus 2, I need to make sure I use that new group. 1 plus 5 is 6. 6 plus 2 is 8. I'm going to box my answer down here, and I'm going to write it on the line up here. So anytime you put a new group 1 above the tens, your answer to this will be yes. It was no here because I didn't. Anytime you put a new group in the hundreds, the answer is going to be yes to make a new 100 like I did here. And then on the second page, they're going to add a third question, make a new 1,000. So first I need to rewrite the problem, 627, and then I need to make sure I line up 345. And then I'll put my plus and my line. 7 plus 5 is 12, so I have a new 10 with my 2 left over. So my answer to the first question is yes, I did make a new 10. Then I have 1 plus 2 plus 4, which is 3 plus 4, which is 7, or 30 plus 40 is 70. I did not make a new 100, so my answer is no. And then I have 6 plus 3, which is 600 plus 300 is 900. I did not make a new 1,000, so my answer to that is no. My answer is 972. I'm going to box it, and I'm going to write it on the line. So your whole first page is going to be just these two questions. If I make a new 10, which here I did not, then I'm going to answer this question. And making a new 100, I did here, so my answer was yes. 2 plus 6 is 8, which is less than 10, so I didn't make a new 10. 8 plus 9, or 80 plus 90, is 17, or 170, so I did make a new 100. And here, 7 plus 5 is 12, so I did make a new 10, but then I didn't get to above 10, or 10 or above here, so it's a no. And I didn't make a new 1,000, so it's no. So that's your 2 workbook pages for today. Make sure you check your work and submit them on Seesaw when you're done.